June, another sunny honeymoon, another season, another reason for making whoopee. A lot of shoes, a lot of rice. The groom is nervous, he answers twice. It's really killing that he's so willing to make whoopee. Picture a little love nest down where the roses fling. Picture the little same love nest. Think what a year can bring. He's washing dishes and baby clothes. Why, he's so ambitious that he even sews. But don't forget, folks, that's what you get, folks, for making whoopee. For making whoopee. Only the fridge is on. It'll be interesting again to hear if there's any progress coming from this. Check. How much distortion does this add into the